Millions of people could benefit from using hearing aids, but only 1 in 4 have ever tried one, that according to federal statistics. One reason is stigma attached to them. It makes you feel old. The other is cost. Hearing aids typically cost thousands of dollars, but the new FDA-approved alternatives cost far less. You can now buy a hearing aid over the counter, online or from a local store without a prescription or a medical exam. And the new devices don't require a fitting by an audiologist.
If your needs are met with an over-the-counter device, that's great because you're taking care of your hearing and you're addressing your hearing loss.
But audiologists note that over-the-counter devices are not for everyone. They're recommended for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. How do I know whether or not that's good enough, or do I really have to spend big dollars and get a more progressive hearing aid?
Well, as your friendly audiologist, I would encourage everyone to start with the hearing test if possible.
Hearing aids can cost several $1,000s. However, over-the-counter hearing aids can cost a couple of $100s or even less. The FDA urges consumers to make sure they're buying an approved product.
An OTC hearing aid will have OTC and hearing aid on the package. If the package does not say this, it's not an OTC hearing aid and may instead be what's called a personal sound amplification product, or PSAP.
According to the National Institutes of Health, age is the strongest predictor of hearing loss. Most people experience the problem in their 60s. Men are almost twice as likely as women to have hearing loss. The NIH estimates nearly 30 million adults could benefit from using hearing aids.
It's very difficult to get people to think about their hearing because it is a health condition, a sensory loss that you can't see.
The old adage, what you don't know can't hurt you, isn't true when it comes to what you don't hear.
There are effects on career, earning potential, social relationships, and even there's a connection between unaddressed hearing loss and cognitive decline.
I started wearing a hearing aid myself years ago. I only bought one because I couldn't afford a pair. I first noticed the problem when I couldn't hear testimony in court or the pastor preach in church. Now, unlike glasses that'll return your vision to perfect 20/20, a hearing aid will only help you to hear better. It has certainly worked for me. My wife's only complaint, I don't wear it often enough. In Greensboro, I'm Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.